Hello everyone, this is the first video in your bonus video training series, and this video is going to entail how to go to your dashboard and how to navigate your dashboard. So as you can see right here, this is the home page for Builderall. You'll see your latest projects here. So these are your websites, your pages, and so forth. You can start a new project, so you can go create a website, create a physical store to sell physical products, create a webinar. This makes a live sales video for you to promote and get customers on your list. You can create a checkout sales page and accept payments. And you can also create a website with a locked members area. And we'll talk about more of these later on in the training series. So here's your tools. And your tools section shows all the tools that you added to your list. We have Mailing Boss for email marketing, the Cheetah website builder for building websites. You can build a quiz. You can create a website agency and sell your services to local business clients. There's the Funnel Club if you're a member of that, and so on and so forth. There's over 35 tools to choose from to create your business and as well as grow your business. So on the very top, we have the Builderall logo, and this takes you, of course, to back to this page. We have our knowledge base. So we click this, and we can type in search queries, and it'll take us to helpful topics, and it'll teach you how to implement whatever you have a question for. Let's go ahead and click out of this. Next to it, we have this little rocket ship icon. If you sign up to Builderall, you might end up here first. If you do, it's just the same as we talked about earlier underneath the starter project. You can create a website, create a store to sell physical products, create a webinar training, create a checkout sales page and accept credit cards, and create a locked members area. Go ahead and click out of here. If you're a member of the Funnel Club, you can click the funnel icon, and this will take you to the training for Funnel Club. The Funnel Club offers over 400 pre-made funnel templates, as well as chatbot templates, niche funnels, lead capture funnels, agency funnels, info product funnels, physical product funnels, and as well as the funnel builder. Let's go ahead and click out of here. Across here is our navigation menu. As you can see, we're on the home because we have this blue bar. This is this page. On our apps, we can go and see the different applications we can click on. There's an incredible amount of tools that Builderall offers to help build your business. Mainly, we're going to be talking about in this training series the Cheetah website builder, the funnel builder, and Mailing Boss for email marketing. You can go ahead and browse yourself and click on these and view all the different tools that are available to you. In here, we have training, and this is free training. Whatever training appears might vary depending on your account and your account type. However, you can click one of these and learn digital marketing for local businesses with Bridget Bartlett, physical products with Jackie DeClerc, or a product launch with Terry Stevenson. And as you can see, this training is free and incredibly helpful, especially when you're first getting started with Builderall. If you're an affiliate for Builderall, you can click here. And this is funnels that are available to you, as well as your traffic and how many sales you have. Once again, this is if you're promoting Builderall. The notice area, it'll show you your messages that you have from Builderall and your sponsors or your downline. Of course, we have our help area. You can go to support. You can submit a ticket. You can get certified in partner programs for training. There's a glossary of terms, and then an onboarding area. So you click the onboarding area, and it's going to show you which Builderall community Facebook groups to join. You can also go to your office, and it takes you back to the office. Okay, let's go back there. Go back again. You can also go and just click home. Okay, and then we have add-ons. So Inbox Path is a email marketing program, training program, and it teaches you how to get more conversions and leads in sales. These are paid, so these are separate from the free training over here. You can purchase solo ads and to promote your products, such as the Builderall affiliate program. And there's also more solo ads, and you can choose the one you want. Next, we have events. So you can go to workshops and an event calendar. And finally, your account. So when you go to your account, it shows you, of course, you click the icon, and it takes you to your account. And then this is your messages with the bell icon, and it shows the notifications you have. Over here is the added training you can purchase, and it's all extremely helpful if you want to continue your training with Builderall, but it's not required. So, of course, at the top, you can buy a domain and connect it to your Builderall website. So before we end this video, let's go ahead and go to apps, and we're going to go to the Cheetah website builder. And this area shows our published websites. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to create new website. I just want to show you real quick how to install a website template into your back office. We're going to choose a template, and let's go ahead and go to, go and do niche funnels. Okay, and let's go ahead and choose the auto detailing funnel. Go ahead and click select this. Click Save to confirm. And now we have our website. Go ahead and click Skip Tour if you'd like. Let's go ahead and visit this real quick by clicking the option menu and then click Go to Website. Okay, and as you can see, our website template appears, and we can input the information we want right here. We can customize the text, even the background image and the icon. So this is just a brief overview of your Builderall dashboard when you get started. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief tour of the Cheetah website builder backend office. So we have our auto detailing website that we previously uploaded to our account. Go ahead and click the Edit Site button. Of course, once again, here are their pages: home page, thank you page, and pinning page. On the left-hand side, you're going to see the main menu, and I'm just going to quickly go through all these. Website overview, I'm going to click that. This is going to show your traffic. Once you start getting traffic to your website. Site settings, this is where you're going to rename your title, the address URL. So let's go ahead and change this actually. Auto, make sure there's a hyphen. Detailing, hyphen, website. Actually, let's not put the website there. And you can keep all these settings the same. Write a description of your website. I'm just going to copy this and paste this down there for now. There you can choose to have the Builderall affiliate button at the bottom of your website. You can toggle this on or off. Of course, we have our watermark English, and it's on the right side. And I would always enable CRM. CRM stands for Customer Relations Management. What this is going to do is going to keep track of everything, all the visitors that appear, what they click on. Basically, just a way for you to really see how your customers are interacting with the website. Right here, you can choose a favicon. So let's choose right here. And let's go ahead and choose one of these. Click Save. And the favicon is the little logo in the corner of your website. So we're going to click Save. Scrolling down, we have our script settings. And this is for placing any code you want on your website. This could be used for Google tracking cookies or like the Facebook pixel tracker. And you just place them in here under your code. And then you can have additional outside tracking apps that will track your traffic for you and also track your visitors if that's what you choose. Next is SEO settings, search engine optimization settings. For now, you can just leave this blank. We will talk about it later, but really just want to put your keyword in here, some meta tags, and your robot. These are the way that you're going to filter for the search engines. And it gives permission to certain pages on your site. So maybe like a no follow or a follow index. And there's your ads area. If you have ads on your website, you can place the tag right here. Next, we'll come to a split test. And here you can actually create two different pages on your website and change just one thing. So maybe one thing has a different headline than the other one. And you can test them and see which one comes out on top. You can get rid of the one that didn't fare that good, and then you can keep testing and redoing over and over again. Global elements right here. You click this, and we have global elements for pop-ups. These are what pop up when you visit a website and you go to click off of it. It pops up. It says, wait, don't go. You can add those to your website. Global headers and footers are great because it allows you to create a navigation menu on the top of your website or the bottom of your website just once, and then you can go in per page and add it to it. So you don't have to create a new header or footer on each page. GDPR settings. This is if you're going to be selling to anyone in Europe. And if you think you are, it's always a good idea to click it. Most people, won't be doing this, but it's just always good to know that's an option for you. The super checkout is a way you can sell your items, physical and digital items. So this is where you can set up your checkout system and add a payment processor. I go back here. You can create your own blog, and this is great if you have any if you want to write articles or blog pages for your website. You can help build traffic if you create quality content. Browser notifications. So when you go to your website and you first see a little box that appears here, and it asks you that if the website wants to send you notifications to your browser. And if you click allow, it'll show you on the internet. Whenever you send a new article or have a new email come out or a new YouTube video, you can send them a notification. And no matter where they're at on the internet, they can get it from any website they're on. So that's really, really great way to set up your website for success. Social proof. So what social proof does is whenever someone comes to your sales page, in the bottom corner, a little box will pop up and say, hey, Joe Blow or whoever just purchased. They're from Arizona. And it gives social proof to the customers that are wanting to buy. It builds trust, and it just makes it a lot much easier to make sales. So let's go here. So click out of this. We can click the close button. Next, we have booking, and this is really an amazing tool that's included with Builderall. And what it does is it allows you to place a little calendar, a little booking app inside your page, and customers and visitors can click the date and time that they want, fill out their name, possibly their address, their email address, and phone number, and then it'll automatically schedule them either a call or an appointment. This is great for local businesses like hair salons or maybe tax experts. It really allows you to, get in contact with your customers and make sure they book an appointment, so your calendar is always filled up with leads. Next, there's the connected domain. So with any website you create, it's going to be on a Builderall subdomain account, and you can edit it while it's on the account. But if you want to make it go live, the best way to do is to actually connect a domain that you own. So you just place a domain here, and you have to own it first to put it here. If not, you're going to have to purchase it. We go to the next step, which is it's very cheap. And having your own domain connected to your website is a must these days, especially if you want to run ads or do any promotions. Next is the sitemap. This is the file, the code that shows up not to your visitors, but it shows up in the search engines such as Google. Really don't need to worry about this because Builderall creates it for you automatically. It's just good to know that's where it's at if you ever need to access it. Next, you can go to website. So if you click this, it'll take you to the actual live page of your website. Click off that. And then finally, there's the back to home button. Go back to home, and it takes you to your Cheetah homepage. So that's pretty much a quick rundown of the Cheetah website builder settings. In the next videos, we're going to show you how to create a website from scratch. Thanks for watching the video. Look forward to seeing the next one. Have a great day.